Hey there, it's Beards and Bangers. Welcome back. We are at Alloy Stars in Aylesbury. I'm making a video, so it's become a windy day, which is typical for me. So the MG, as you may remember, has got some pretty hideous aftermarket wheels. So we are going to go from these, and we'll just run over here. And we have got these absolutely lovely refurbished alloys going on. So in a minute we'll watch the boys change them over and see how the car looks after that. So Baz is getting the hideous old alloys off. And these tyres on the front are perishable, so there's two new front tyres going on. I think it's where the car was sitting out in a field. Taking a bit to crack these wheel nuts off. They're on nice and solid. Whoever did those up last time.
Back ones are nice.
Yeah.
Front are like on sorts.
Right. Let's get some alloy wheels on. So here we go, the moment of truth. First alloy wheel going on. So what did you do, sandblast them, Baston?
Yeah, sandblast them, and obviously strip them back, get all the metal off, sandblast, and obviously powder coating. You obviously marks, BA marks.
Yeah.
Any curbings. Yeah, then powder coating.
And they look very nice.
Yeah, lovely.
Good job.
Nice and fresh.
It'll help if I press the record button so you can see the old and the new. And yeah.
I put my hat on. I won't look at a bit. You got your snap on hat as well.
Real difference. So the front offside had a collar on it, which didn't need on, so that's come off because you don't need those on these wheels. There it is. So there's new tyres going on the front, but the rear tyres are actually alright, so they're going to swap those over very kindly. And the old wheels are going to get weighed in because there's no point anyone paying money to get those refurbed. Unless someone really wants them, please put them in the comments. Please put it in the comments very quickly because they will get weighed in. And one thing we just realised, there's no locking wheel nuts on here, so we'll get a set of those. We can still get the MG Rover from Discount MG Rover Spares. So I won't speak while Baz has got his Dugger working.
Oh, this is my job.
There's something very satisfying now, an old tyre coming off. I don't know what it is, but I just love watching tyres being taken off the rims. Probably makes me a very sad man. Very satisfying moment, like peeling a plaster. And off she goes. New valve going in. Bit of glue. Beautiful. Hopefully we're going to get a nice pop in a minute as the air gets into this tyre. Getting quite satisfying. There we are. Now, I'm not taking a picture of this man's backside, I am just going to their Instagram and Facebook pages. So there we are, Alloy Stars, if you're in the Buckinghamshire area and you need your wheels refurbed, which I'm sure many of you do. Pop! And while the guys are, let Baz put that in. Just interesting to have a look at this wheel arch. So we've got a bit of, then we've got a line missing up here, so we just need to get that some underseal in there at some point. You can see the spring, you can see the suspension setup. It's quite interesting. Yeah, do some paint and various bits under here at some point just to protect it. It looks pretty solid. And we've got this bit of paintwork needing doing here at some point. Yeah, nice view of the exhaust. Newish exhaust. So one more wheel to go on and then we're done. So thank you for watching this episode about alloy wheels, the beards and bangers. Continue to like and subscribe please, really appreciate and helps grow the channel, and I will see you very soon. Cheers.